at least that will be very helpful to help pay the full fees in the whole year. I can pay the full fees for some needy children college education. So please, I'm just appealing to all of you to please help me out that way. You will also be helping out the children who really deserve education, you know. Like, I'll give you just an example. There is a student in grade 12, okay, now not college, but it's in grade 12. And I needed to send money when I got my money in the month of May. I needed to send it out to someone. So I got in touch with the principal of the school, whom I know personally. So I got in touch and said, you know, any needy children, I'll be reaching $100 soon. So, you know, any needy children, I'm willing to help and things like that. And she told me about this student, you know. She is a merit student, and so with the result is when she goes into college next year after grade 12, she will be on a scholarship. So she doesn't pay anything for a college education. But she was dropping out of school just to complete her 12th standard. She was dropping out because the parents could no longer afford to pay the fees. So the principal said they are trying to help from some way or the other. Plus there is some kind of grant coming in from the government, but it's not enough because she's a merit student. But it's not enough. So I said, okay, I will contribute. But I said, you know, I'm not getting every month, you know. So that's the thing. So please, I'm just appealing to everyone. Try to help me reach 100 Canadian dollars, not a US, not US, 100 Canadian dollars per month. That's more than enough, you know. So it will help towards you know, needy children. So that's my humble request, please. So super chat, super stickers, you know, whatever way you can do it. um, you know, just take membership. It is a once a month. It's not such a big fee that you have to pay just once a month, like, you know, but it's going to be really very helpful to someone. That's why I say please take memberships, because it's a small amount and you pay it only once a month, you know. You eat a sandwich or you have a slush or something like that, you know, it goes in one day, right? But here, if you give the same contribution once a month, you know, it's really going to help needy students, like, you know. And so I'm willing to, you know, I've already done it twice now. I got it in October last year, one payment. Then I got it in May, another payment. Now in December, end of December 21st to 26th, I will be getting my next payment. So this is my humble appeal. Please take memberships to my channel. Take the lowest one also if you want, no problem. It doesn't, you know, come up to much. It's even less than the cost of a coffee that you have, you know, it's even less than that. So once a month it is, like, you know. So please, I'm just appealing to all of you to please do that. Help out with membership. Super chat, super stickers also are welcome at any time. But you find super chats and super sticker are costlier. You may make it once, you know, or something, but that is costlier. Better if you can just take us the lowest membership, you know, the lowest membership, if you can take it on a monthly basis. So I've got a couple of people who are taking it. There is one from UK and one from US. The one in the US took a second tier, so that is really very, very helpful. I get almost like $6, you know, because it's US, so I get almost $6. And the other one in UK has taken the least lowest one, but still it works out to just like three Canadian dollars and a little more, like, you know, um, 3.3 Canadian dollars. So that is very helpful. These two are helpful. Then I've got one from Philippines that's taking the membership, has taken the membership. Another one, then I've got two from India that have taken the memberships. So like that, that's two, four, five people who are taking memberships. So it's not enough, like, you know, it only comes up to about $13 a month, and I'm not really earning much in ad revenues and things like that. But if you can just watch ads, full ads and things like that, it would be helpful. It doesn't help that much. So please, my humble appeal, I would like to reach